name is Penn French and I'm with Keller Williams Premier Properties in Glen Ellen. But today we're not in Glen Ellen. We are lakeside at Long Lake in Ingleside, Illinois. About an hour drive from the western suburbs or the North Shore and only about a 90-minute ride on the train from downtown Chicago that stops a mile from here. This is a rarely available home right on the lake, 50 feet of shoreline for all your boat toys for $245,000. This is a charming house. Take a look.